everyone. Today I'm going to present you my EEE 102 project. So I have designed a smart house to ease human life. The house has several functions and I gave these functions to this house by using 3 sensors in total and other components. Now I will explain them one by one. So my first sensor is infrared object detecting sensor, which has a range of 3 to 80 centimeters, and the distance can be adjusted by a potentiometer. This sensor is used in order to detect humans who are approaching to the house and open the door, and also illuminate the front door by these LEDs. So it can be seen that when an object comes close, the door opens and the LEDs illuminate, and when the object goes away, the door closes and LEDs turn off. Since it's not secure for the door to open to everyone, I have also used a switch which is found in the basis tree board in order to lock the house. So now I will make the switch off, and when now you see the LEDs still illuminates the front door, but the door keeps closed. Okay. Now my second sensor is light sensor. This sensor is used in order for the house's curtains. So the aim is to close the curtains when the environment gets darkened and open the circuits when the sensor detects enough light. Actually, I did this in order to make humans wake up easier. So as you can see, when the environment gets darkened, the curtains close, and when they see enough light, the curtains open. Again, the sensor's threshold light intensity can be adjusted by a trim pot, so it's available for the user to detect the time he or she wants to wake up. And my last sensor is the temperature sensor. This sensor is used for house to keep the temperature of the house still. So when the environment gets too warm, a fan which is found in the house starts to work, and the buzzer starts to give a signal. Actually, the sensor should be inside the house, but I put it outside the house in order to make the demonstration easier. So now my friend will touch the sensor in order to make it. Now you can see here the fan is functioning and the buzzer gives signal, and after the fan cools the house enough, or the sensor becomes cool again, the fan stops and the buzzer also stops. I have used the buzzer for actually making it like a fire alarm, because again the sensor can also be adjusted with a trim pot, so the threshold temperature can be adjusted with a trim pot. So if we make the threshold temperature high enough, like a fire temperature, it will act like a fire alarm. In this project, actually, I have used an adapter and a relay board, except with the basis tree board. Near with the basis tree board. The adapter is used for the other components except the light sensor and the temperature sensor. The light sensor and the temperature sensor can work with 3.3 volts, which is supplied by the basis tree board. However, the other components need 5 volts, which basis tree boards cannot supply, so I used an adapter to give them 5 volts. The adapter is here. And when I use the adapter for LEDs or the fan or the buzzer, since the adapter supplies power all the time, all of these components worked continuously. So I needed something like a switch, which is the reason why I used a relay board. So you can see the relay board here. This one is the relay board. So the relay board acts like a switch for these sensors. So for these components, when the sensor gives a digital output of 1, it first goes to the relay board. The switch, you can think of it like the switch gets closed and the components start to work. And the last component I want to mention is the servo motors. I have used 2 servo motors in order to open the doors and the curtains, about rotation about 90 degrees. So the servo motors work with pulse width modulation. So I have created specific pulse widths with specific milliseconds in order to rotate the servo motors in again specific angles. So you can actually see here that the servo motor for the curtains, and when it darkens, actually the curtains closed about 90 degrees. And let's also look at the door. The servo motor is here. I connected them with a cable, a strong cable. So when the door actually again opens about 90 degrees with the help of the servo motor. That was all I want to say about my project. Thank you for watching.